Hello, and welcome to day 5 of your acne workshop. Let's recap. Yesterday, we looked at populations around the world where acne is non-existent and how our diet plays a role in the appearance of our skin. Your homework assignment was to clean your makeup brushes if it hasn't been washed recently. Remember, your regularly unwashed makeup brushes are infested with old makeup and dead skin cells, so it's crucial that you keep it clean. I trust that you completed your assignment. Today, we will cover 2 important topics. First, I'd like to let you in on a top secret tool that you might already have in your cabinet. This tool is my top secret, ultimate weapon. As soon as you sight a pimple, this substance stunts its growth. The earlier you sight your new breakout, the better this top secret item works. I'm sure by now you want to know what I'm talking about. It's tea tree oil. Now I need you to understand that tea tree oil is a spot treatment, emergency spot treatment. Do not place tea tree oil on your face in hopes of preventing acne. Tea tree oil dries out the isolated pimple that's already there. Now if you implement days 1 to 4 of this workshop and you use the acne treatment set that was recommended by this workshop, you'll have no need for tea tree oil. On the other hand, if you are not abiding by the rules and you end up with a new breakout, just take your fingertip and apply to the zit a dot of tea tree oil. And the tea tree oil will help with the shrinking of that blemish. Please keep in mind that without a balanced skincare regimen, you will play the back and forth game of shrink the pimple with tea tree oil. It's better to prevent them from coming so you won't have to chase them down to get rid of them. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Now let's go to a topic that you might want to fight me on, but your participation determines whether you will succeed in your goal for clear skin or fail. Today's focus is on old makeup. There are items that we tend to fall in love with because it's the perfect match for our skin tone. Unfortunately, these items all come with expiration dates. The life of your cosmetic products begins to tick away once you open it the first time. No matter how much you may love the item, once it's expired, you must let it go. Do you know the expiration dates for your makeup? I want you to take out a pen and paper for a pop quiz. Now I need your full participation on this. I hope you are participating or else you will not get the full benefit out of this 7-day series. Please pause this recording and resume when you are ready to take this quiz. Question 1. Can you guess how long you should keep your liquid foundation? Is it A, 5 months, B, 6 months, or C, 12 months? Write your answers. Are you ready for the answer? Next question. Powders can last A, 6 months, B, 1 year, or C, 1.5 years. Write down what you think is the correct answer. Are you ready for the right answer? Next question. Mascara can last A, 3 months, B, 6 months, or C, 1 year. Write down your answer. Are you ready for the right answer? Next question. Eye and lip pencils can last A, 1 year, B, 1.5 years, or C, 2 years. Are you ready for your answer? Next question. Cleansers and moisturizers can last A, 6 months, B, 1 year, C, 1.5 years. Are you ready for the answer? Next question. Lip gloss and lipsticks can last A, 3 months, B, 6 months, or C, 1 year. Write down your answer. Are you ready for the right answer? Okay, now last question. How often should you wash your brushes? A, 2 weeks, B, 3 weeks, or C, 4 weeks? Are you ready for the correct answer? Wonderful. This wraps up today's quiz. Here's today's homework assignment. This may be the most difficult assignment you'll be asked to complete, but I believe that you can do it. Take out your makeup bag, check your answers from today's lesson, and separate your expired makeup from what's up to date. Before I go on, let's stop a minute. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Now slowly let it out. Okay. I want you to get rid of your expired makeup items. Don't worry. To make space for new blessings, you must let go of old things. In tomorrow's lesson, I'm going to share with you a pampering ritual that gets rid of complexion dulling dead skin. It's powerful, yet is gentle enough to use twice weekly. I can't wait to share this with you. See you tomorrow. Bye.